Hello. We are Numii by IO. In the past 25 years, our company has visited over 2,000 factories worldwide. And do you know what we've noticed? Nothing has changed, nothing has improved, and nothing is happening. Our digital world is only interested in what we do in our spare time. But what about the rest of the time? How much time do we spend at work? 8, 10, 12 hours a day? That's almost a third of our time. Can you imagine the data that we could measure in that time? Could you imagine a working world without pain? We can. Who would ever think that painless labour was possible? We did. Over 160 million people are currently suffering from occupational overuse syndrome. That's why we've created Numii. Numii is the only industrial IoT to undertake the creation of the world's first labour health database for medical research and for the world of work. Simply place Numii, our little robot, next to a person who is working and receive real-time biomechanical analysis at the click of a button and instantly measure uncomfortable postures. So if you want to engage your company into an in-depth CSR approach, using Numii's high-tech AI, you can do this by doing 3 things. By following the health of each individual worker in real time, by identifying risk zones and risky situations and orientating us towards healthy strategic choices, and by uniting data, creating the world's first labour health database. Numii is the key to a healthier working environment. Together, we are solidifying health at work into the digital age, and we are creating the world's first universal database. Thank you.